Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of IELTS Speaking Sample. I'm Thu Thuỷ from the IELTS Workshop. Today we are going to have a quite difficult IELTS Speaking Part 2 topic, which is describe a person who just moved to your community and brought positive changes. Okay, so let's get started. Well, when being asked this question, the first person that comes to my mind is Mr. Adam, a new director in the school I work. You know, his arrival has indeed brought about positive changes in our school community. I have to say that I first got to know him in the welcome meeting when he introduced himself to everyone. You know, his warm and friendly nature has instantly made him approachable, and it was clear that he's really cared about creating a happy learning and teaching environment. Then I had the pleasure of getting to know him better through school projects and events. And you know what struck me the most about him is his professionalism when it comes to teachings. I had to say that he plans his lesson carefully, and he is willing to tailor his lesson to meet the needs of students and also meet the student interests. Also, I have to say that he is an empathetic listener. Whenever a student comes to him, he always expresses his active interest in what students are saying without jumping into judgment of right or wrong. And you know, after that, instead of giving solutions, he asks them open-ended questions to guide them to find their own solutions. So his diligence and patience have inspired others, and me included, to dedicate ourselves more to our professions. But you know, his influence doesn't end there, because we are also impressed by his attitudes toward work. You know, despite his demanding responsibilities of the position, we never witnessed any signs of his fatigue. He is the person who lightened the atmosphere, especially in our evening briefings, by injecting a dose of humor. And I remember one of his favorite saying, "Happy teachers, happy students," which demonstrates his belief in the importance of positive and enthusiastic atmosphere at school. So, his approach to work, his sense of humor, and his motivational words have made a significant impact on my professional life as well as my school community. And this is my IELTS speaking sample. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.